Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Think making money from trading is only for the pros? Think again. In this video, I'll break down how beginners can start trading and actually make money. Step by step. Number 1. What is trading? Trading simply means buying and selling assets, like stocks, crypto, or forex, to make a profit. It's not gambling when done right. It's strategy, timing, and psychology. Number 2. Types of trading. There are a few main types of trading. Day trading, buy and sell on the same day. Swing trading, hold for days or weeks. Scalping, super short trades, minutes or seconds. Position trading, long-term trades, weeks or months. Choose what fits your lifestyle and risk tolerance. Number 3. Learn before you burn. Before you risk real money, learn the basics. Support and resistance. Candlestick patterns, risk management, never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Psychology. Stay calm, not greedy. Use free tools like Investopedia, Baby Pips, and YouTube channels like Rainer Tio or Trading Lab. Number 4. Tools you need. Here's what you need to start. A broker account, like eToro, TradingView, or Binance for crypto. A demo account to practice Trading Journal to track your wins and losses. Optional, Discord or Telegram trading groups. Number 5. Start small, learn fast. Don't chase huge wins. Start small, $50, $100, and focus on consistency. Practice with demo trading. Watch your mistakes. This is a long game. Number 6. How people make money. People make money trading by catching price trends early, managing risk better than others, sticking to a proven strategy, controlling emotions. Trading can change your life, but only if you treat it like a skill, not a slot machine. I hope you like my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel and drop a comment if you want a full beginner tutorial on live trading.